It's Craig. See, I'm at Jimmy's house right now, up in New Hampshire. It's very calm. I'm right next to Jimmy's boat right here. It's on the cover. We got some water in there, and this is the lake over here. You got a little bit of fog right now. I'm on the deck, hanging on the edge. It's kind of foggy right now. It's a little bit foggy. There's a thing you can jump on. There's a little board right there. The neighbors right there, their dock. Another neighbor, more neighbors, and all that. And we will not be swimming across in the fog. We'll wait for it to clear up, just to be safe, you know. Just to be safe. And there's a house. We got plenty of trees. No monsters or anything like that. And you got Jimmy coming. Here's Jimmy. Hey Jimmy, what you got there? It's on video right now.
Oh, great.
Let's make a movie. The monster's coming, Jimmy.
Hey, let's see how Craig lost $800 worth of equipment.
No, don't touch me.
Let's go in the water. Let's go in the water.
No.
Let's save it for one.
I hate you. Don't, whatever you do, don't pour.
Get shit on my shoulder.
Because you bumped into me. Don't put the water on me. Because I got the camera. It's expensive. Hope he does. Hope he doesn't. Woo!
Yeah.
Getting all over your boots.
Yeah, the waterproof. I stole them off the dead army guy.
An ROTC? Look at me, pour that water. Say hi, Jimmy.
Shit. This water's wet.
Go figure.
You think you're cool with that camera of yours?
Yeah, I am.
Good for you.
Very.
What a more productive way to do it.
Jimmy, where's the other side? Don't you dare. I'll kill you. I know you got some extra there.
Oh, son of a bitch.
The asshole.
You asshole! Asshole!
Nah.
Shit. I wish I was Superman. This would make it so much easier if I was Superman. I wouldn't be here right now. I'd probably be in space.
Hey, is that something moving in the water? What's that? Is that like a shark?
It's the Soylent Monster!
Now, Jimmy, I'm trying to explain to my mom why it's not dangerous up here. Can you explain?
But don't make the camera go over there if you want to explain.
Oh yeah, with the crazy people with shotguns sitting on the lawn?
Yep.
Right there!
Get the fuck out of my lawn!
No, there are no rednecks. Very safe.
There aren't rednecks.
Only dangerous thing around here is Jimmy.
I'm not dangerous yet.
Just misunderstood. Oh. Don't get me wet. These are expensive.
They're shoes.
Shocks.
They're shoes.
Say that up
Hey,
close.
sir.
Close up.
They're shoes.